Dakotanan, one and one is Lianto ngayon. Dakotanan, 15-second shot clock. Dakotanan again, lumapit, pasagsigsag. Rebound, Sayan! Villegas, last 2 minutes. Dakotanan, the best. Substitution, 1 minute and 51 seconds. Against 87, Kambangay. Ito ay binigyan sa King Brillanto. The flash good. As it is played, went to De La Cruz. Kambangay! Pasok! 1 minute and 35 seconds. Pires ngayon. 15-second shot clock. Pires pa rin. 10-second shot clock. Ruben Umito! Pasok! Kambangay. Back to De La Cruz. The hard F ngayon. Ang diskarte. Back to Lianto. Lianto pa rin. 10-second shot clock. Back again. Kapalan! Sarang! Time over. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Pires. 1 minute time remaining. CJ Perez ngayon. Binigyan ng screen sa kakampi. Perez, lumapit. Trigo na naman. Ang ganda! Nakatawag ng time out ang inyong Glenn's Barbershop. 49 seconds. Remaining time and the whole game.
Tao puno.
49 seconds. Remaining time in the ball game. 94-89. 5 ang abante ng inyong Nicole Enterprises. Very important position sa nakaitim ngayon. Shot clock 14 seconds. Lianto going to Kambangay. 11-second shot clock. 11 seconds to shoot. Tingnan po natin. 10-second shot clock. Long pass. Kambangay! Itas! Nagagawan! Pires! Alvin Scalape. Back to Ruel. 30 seconds. Shot clock 10 seconds. Foul number 13, Calape. Illegal use of fun. Third personal foul. Third for the team. Second shot clock. Trigo. Going to Proel. 10-second shot clock. Foul number 2, De La Cruz. Third personal foul, De La Cruz. And warning for penalty. Ruel, 10-second shot clock. Ruel ngayon, 5-second shot clock. 5 seconds violation. Napatawag ng timeout ang inyong team. Glenn's Barbershop, 12 seconds. Kaya pa ba? Para sa team ng Glenn's Barbershop, 12 seconds remaining time. Please, second game, binili na. Team DSA versus Nicole at Team Metro Cars. DSA versus Metro Cars. 12 seconds. Tingnan po natin. De La Cruz. Liato! Indes! Campaner. 5 seconds. End of the ball game. Congratulations, Team Nicole Enterprises. Kayo ang papasok going to the finals. Please welcome Metro Cars versus Team ng DSA Maxting Home Base. Paring muna sa'yo, SK Kyle.
Okay, dito, panalo ang Nicole.